Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms to create a quiz. Google Forms is also an excellent tool for creating interactive quizzes, whether for education, training or testing knowledge. You can easily assign points, add correct answers and give feedbacks to participants. So let's get started. The first step is to open Google Forms and create a new form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com, or you can go to Google Workspace and then sign in using your account's credentials, your Google account's credentials. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms account. Now here, click on blank and give it a title like General Knowledge Quiz. Now here, the second step is to convert the form into a quiz, and you can do that by going to settings and then toggle the option make this a quiz, toggle this on. Now after you toggle the switch to make this a quiz, this allows you to assign points and correct answers. The third step is to now you can change these options right here. For example, for missed questions, responders can see which questions were answered incorrectly. You can toggle this off. You can toggle respondents can see correct answers after grades are released. You can toggle this also off. And here you can set the default question point value. For example, I'm gonna click on this one. There's a lot of options here. Now the second step is to add questions, and you can do that by here going to the question section and click on add a question. And here you can write the question. You can use different types of questions based on your quiz formats. For example, you can use multiple choices, which is ideally for quiz answers, checkboxes, which you can use it when there are multiple correct answers, and drop down for a more compact question selections. You can also choose short answer for questions that requires a short answer. Now for each question, click answer key to set the correct answer and assign points. You can click here and click on the, you can choose the, for example, you can choose the correct answer and you can set the points, for example 2 points, 3 points, etc. As you can see here. The fourth step is to customize the quiz. Add feedback for answers. You can provide immediate feedback for correct and incorrect answers, and you can also click on the answer key and in the feedback section write custom message. You can click on this feedback and you can enter a feedback for incorrect answers and correct answer. You can also shuffle the question order to ensure that the quiz is randomized for each user. The fifth step is to set responses preference, and to do that just go to settings and then go to responses and choose if you want to allow respondents to see their score right after submission. You can also restrict respondents to submit only once. As for the sixth and final step, review and share the quiz, and you can click on the this eye icon to preview the quiz, and once you're satisfied, click send, then share the quiz via email, social media or on your website. And now your quiz is ready for participants to test their knowledge. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.